Hi, I'm composer and music educator Dr. Scott Watson. In this video, I'm going to explain to you how to play the pots and pans percussion part for my composition, Kitchen Musicians. What's that, you say? Pots and pans? You heard right. That's because in Kitchen Musicians, one of the percussion sounds is actually for pots and pans. Therefore, why don't we take this whole operation into the kitchen? In fact, the pots and pans part is quite easy and repetitive, so it could be played by amateurs, such as a building principal, classroom teachers, maybe the kitchen cafeteria staff at a school. And they could even wear the kitchen costumes to spice things up a little bit, huh? All your kitchen musician percussionists need is a pot and pan and a striker, perhaps a metal ladle or a wooden spoon, and just be good sports and a willingness to learn a few simple parts. The pots and pans part is based on two simple patterns and then a few other bells and whistles. Of course, if your kitchen musician pots and pans players are actual percussionists that can read music, there is a part for them and they can just follow that part. But for everyone else, I'll teach you an easy saying that you can think of as you're playing your part. To help you guys out, I've created a kitchen musician pots and pans part cheat sheet that can be downloaded by clicking the link below. On it, you'll find all the sayings that help you remember the parts that you have to play. You might want to download that to use as you learn your part with this video. Kitchen Musician starts with a brief introduction. It'll be obvious when that happens and when it's over. And then you play pattern 1. Pattern 1 goes like this. Bang, bang your pot now. Bang, bang your pot now. Bang, bang your pot now. Bang, bang your pot. You'll notice that pattern 1 repeats 4 times, but the last time it's a little different. You don't say bang your pot now, you just say bang your pot. So 3 times with bang your pot now, and the last time bang your pot. Okay, let's practice pattern 1 in context. So we're going to hear the introduction, and then we're going to play the section with pattern 1. Here we go. And here's pattern 1. Bang, bang your pot now. Bang, bang your pot now. Bang, bang your pot now. Bang, bang your pot. And again. Bang, bang your pot now. Bang, bang your pot now. Bang, bang your pot now. Bang, bang your pot. Okay, that was excellent. And now you've learned the first part of the song. If you need to rewind and practice it again, go ahead and do that. Okay, kitchen musicians, let's talk about the second pattern. So the second pattern is sort of like a conversation between the soft woodwinds and the loud brass, and the pots and pans, of course, they're going to play with the loud brass. So we're going to hear some quiet music by the woodwinds, and we're going to answer them with this pattern. Kitchen musicians bang their pots. We're going to do that 3 times. And then after the last time, you're going to hear a moment where the whole band plays a loud chord, and I'd like my kitchen musicians to just bang their pots and pans for 3 beats. 1, 2, 3. And you could even bang it inside like this for 3 beats. So that's the second section. Let's put it in context with the music. All right, so first we hear the woodwinds playing softly, and then we answer with the brass. Kitchen musicians bang their pots. Woodwinds. And here's the brass. Kitchen musicians bang their pots. More woodwinds playing softly. Kitchen musicians bang their pots. All right, that was the 3rd time. So now we're going to get ready to play our loud chord. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it, and then it's right here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, you'll notice I said wait for it 3 times. Musicians would say that we wait 3 measures, but it'll be obvious when that big chord comes, and especially if you're playing in a live band, you can watch your conductor for him to point at you for that big chord. All right, kitchen musicians, we're almost there. Now this next section, we go back to the music that we did in the first section, doing the pattern with bang, bang your pot now. Okay, but there's a difference. Last time we did it 3 times, and then the 4th time we changed it to just bang, bang your pot. This time, the fourth time, it's just going to be bang and nothing else. And then we're going to repeat it. And the fourth time on the repeat, we won't do even the bang. It'll just be empty. Okay, enough talk. It's actually a lot easier than it sounds. And when you hear the music, you'll know exactly what I've just described. So let's practice it in context with the music. Here we go. Bang. Bang your pot now. Bang. Bang your pot now. Bang. Bang your pot now. Bang. Bang. Bang your pot now. Bang. Bang your pot now. Bang. Bang your pot now. Okay, we really are almost there. There's just 4 more measures of the song, a little closing music, and you only have to do bang your pot twice during that section. Of course, timing is everything, so let's discuss how the ending goes. First, you'll hear 2 notes played by the woodwinds in the band, and then a little percussion response that's soft. Then you're going to hear 2 notes played by the brass in the band, and then they're going to be answered by bang your pot. Finally, you'll hear 4 notes played by the woodwinds and the brass, in other words, everybody. And after those 4 notes, the last 3 notes of the song are, you guessed it, bang your pot. All right, let's put it in context and practice it with the music. Here we go. 1, 2, click, click, click. 1, 2, bang your pot. 1, 2, 3, 4, bang your pot. And how about we practice that again, just to be sure you have it. Here we go again. 1, 2, 1, 2, bang your pot. 1, 2, 3, 4, bang your pot. And that's it. Okay, you're doing great. We need to run the whole thing so you can practice it start to finish. If at first you need to go back, rewind this video, and practice any of the sections, go ahead and do that. And then let's run the whole thing. Take it from the top. Introduction. Standing by. Bang. Bang your pot now. Bang. Bang your pot now. Bang. Bang your pot now. Bang. Bang your pot. We'll do it again. Bang. Bang your pot now. Bang. Bang your pot now. Bang. Bang your pot now. Bang. Bang your pot. There's the woodwinds. And then here's our brass. Kitchen musicians bang their pots. And the woodwinds. Brass. Kitchen musicians bang their pots. And we'll do it one more time. Here's the woodwinds. And here's the brass. Kitchen musicians bang their pots. We wait 3 measures. 2, 3. And here's the loud roll. 1, 2, 3. Bang. Bang your pot now. Bang. Bang your pot now. Bang. Bang your pot now. Bang. And that's it for this time. Now we repeat it. Bang. Bang your pot now. Bang. Bang your pot now. Bang. Bang your pot now and nothing. That's the, here we go. 1, 2. Bang your pot. Bang your pot. You did it! So, have fun with kitchen musicians. Just relax and have fun. Remember, the kids will just enjoy that you're doing it with them. If you don't get every note right, it doesn't matter. Just try your best, but have fun. The costumes do really make the experience pop, so if you can pull that off, bring in the costumes. And one more thing. If you're not a percussionist, you don't read music, and you're just being a good sport and helping out your school band, you must be a very special person. So thank you.